everybody, this is Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my fluid art channel. I am still stuck at home with a broken ankle and haven't made it to my studio. So this is what I'm calling like the summer repeat series. Hopefully it's only the last one, this one, maybe one more before I can get to the studio. It reminds me of like my childhood in the summer months, having to watch repeats on TV and then like anxiously waiting for like the fall lineup, you know, way before there were things such as streaming services and Netflix. Anyway, when I watched this video back, my first thought was, oh, this was a cute little painting, but two, I'm still the same goober I was 5 years ago. So that was like interesting to go back in time. Anyway, I'll see you on the flip side. Let me get you down. So, curse Michaels and all their canvas sales as of late with the buy one canvas, get two for free. Oops, there's my giant thumb. It's hard to pass that up, so. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, that was hilarious. Luckily, this is my paint sweater, so have no fear. But I do want to rinse it out, get most of it out. So, and then I'll toss it in the wash. Sorry about that. Yeah, so took advantage of the Michael sale, and just a, well, new to you, but recap of colors for me. We have some, what's that? Let me pull them up here. Mostly Liquitex colors. And one Senlier, and I have remaining a giant cup of titanium white. So colors are, the one in the middle first, this is Liquitex Basics Raw Sienna, Basics Bright Aqua Green, Basics Cadmium Red Light Hue, aka Orange. And then we have some Philocyan blue there. And then my Senlier, is, the dark blue, is over here, is Prussian blue number 318, series 2. Good stuff, man. So, a big old cup of white. I already poured some in here. I'm just going to layer my colors and just pour it around and see what happens. The pouring media recipe is to make 20 ounces. I have 12 ounces of Elmer's Glue All, 6 ounces of water, and 2 ounces of Floetrol. Mix well. No water in the paint, except for, I believe, the blue, because it's that brand, the Senlier, was heavy body, so it needed a dash of water. And then my white is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. So in the other video I had oiled up the inside of a couple of cups. These are not, and these were full, and I used very little silicone, I thought, given how full they were. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a drop, to each of these colors since they're near the bottom, and I figured most of it went into the other painting, which is downstairs on the drying table, all covered up. Shall not see the light of day for at least 4 days. And I'm just gonna play. I'm just gonna take, let's take some orange and some raw sienna, because I like those two together. Let's stick a layer of white. Cover it up. And then let's take the dark blue, which will go light blue, and add it with the green. Maybe we'll do all three of these together and cover them up. Like that. I might have enough paint left over still for a a little mini. I don't know if 1 cup will fill this up. I want a lot of white. What do you think? Maybe another little layer? Let's do the orange again with the raw sienna. And cover that up. And since I've done all my sides and corners and edges and everything, even if we stretch this out, this leaves me enough paint to do a little 5x5 or 6x6. Some fresh gloves. And we'll just pour this all around. See what happens. Because even though I've been doing a lot of sandwiching as of late, I haven't poured my sandwiches. That sounds funny. That sounds really funny. Hey, no comments from the peanut gallery. All right, let's see what happens. Let's just, I don't know, just pour right down the middle. Kind of like that. Maybe add a little, stick it in there. Push it up and add a little there too. Oh, it's pretty. Got a little extra in my cup. I'm not gonna torch yet. I'm just gonna tilt it all around for a pretty background, maybe. Let's just goof around. See, look, I don't even have to go over the edge or anything. It's kind of great. I'll come down this way. Get over. Come on down. Come on down. Come over here. Good touch. I'll go off the edge there a little bit. And then come back. Oh, I wish I would have done that corner. Hold on, I'm going back. I'm reversing because I don't like that one corner. Yeah, bye-bye. All right. Let's be picky about the corners. And then, hold on. You'll get to see in a second. I'm going to stretch the hell out of it. So that's why I didn't torch, because they know they would have been stretched. All to hell. Come down this way. Come on down, blue. All the way. Is 1 cup gonna make it? Yep. Let me see if I can pour off those weird lines. I might not be able to though. Will they go? I can't really see what I'm doing. Yeah, we'll leave them for now. Wow, check that out. That's kind of cool. Huh. Well, let's take leftover and cover up that. And maybe you too. All right. Aw, I dropped paint. I dotted paint right there. Oh, let me get rid of that. What do you think? Give it a torch? Leave it the way it is? I think it needs a little something something. I wish this line here wouldn't stop so abruptly. Or add something like a cell. Really pretty colors. You know the dark blue was going to turn into like a medium blue, and that the medium blue was going to go light, but that's really pretty right there. And whenever you mix raw umber with white, you get like a nice golden-y color. All right. Just some little torching with my half-dead torch. Oh yeah, I gotta get Rinky Dink, hold on. I forgot that one's dead. Yeah. I wonder if you can make a line. Or not. Oh, come on. Maybe one down here. Just go on a row. Yeah. Do something with that little area. Maybe in here. Let's follow this line. And this line. I don't think I'm going to get anything though. No. Those cute little guys though. I need a better torch, I really do. That's a minimalist, cute little painting. What do you think? Well, the paint is so thin. I'll try to move a little bit because I would like to get rid of that. But like, you know, I stretched the hell out of this thing, so I don't know if it's good to go. And I don't want to really mess the cells up, so, but let's see if anything will move at all. Ever so slightly, ever so slowly. Oh, I might be able to. Go, 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 go. Did I hurt anything? I don't think I did. You could not have planned this painting. Honest to God, you could not have planned it. I remember what I did. Can I be really, really greedy and try to pour that off? Because then wouldn't it be like perfect? I think I'm being incredibly greedy now. And I should stop while I'm ahead, but let's just see if I can go up. Like up and over. Oh no, nope. It's like, Listen, lady, we're pretty great. Knock it off. So yeah, that's that one. Just a, you know, a quick little one for fun, for giggles. Just killing off good use of leftover paint on a little 10 by 20. It's very happy looking. So glad I didn't torch. I got some nice cells. I would have liked to see more of a variety in sizes, because that's my new favorite thing. But I do love the background, how it turned out. So that was a good, fun little experiment with how to layer, you know, instead of using the same colors, to break them up in between the white. Do I have any more sides to get? I think I'm good. Let me get off my gloves and oh, I have a spot over here. Hold on one sec. Let me smear that with some this orangey color. All right. Pretty. All right, let me come down. Turn
let's see, the corner up there. That's cute, the little blue cells. And the other side, where I was being really picky about the, one little corner. Wait, where am I? Right there. Kind of great. Can I show you the mess on my table from earlier though? Because it's so pretty. Check that out. That's on my tarp left over. That's pretty funny. The middle part here, where am I? Yeah, you can't see the middle part there with the orange and the white with those cells. Those are great. And I like this blue guy here with the orange ring around him. I got a couple of larger ones down here, but the blending of the colors right there, that's kind of amazing, right? Amazing. So that one worked out fairly well. Kind of happy with it. Where am I? Look at that, in under 20 minutes. So there's.
Wasn't that a great little like summertime painting? Very beachy. It makes me want to do a straight pour with silicone just to see if I can get similar results to that one. I don't know why I haven't tried that in forever. Anyway, it is like 5 hours later. It's the same day as when I filmed the intro, and I did sneak off to the studio and do a painting. So this concludes the summer repeat series of 2. Thanks for your patience while I heal, and please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.